Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create automated weekly reports in Looker Studio, step by step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If you're tired of manually preparing reports every week, this setup will save you a lot of time. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one you already use for reporting. Connect your data source like Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Google Sheets, or any business data you review weekly. Make sure the date field is correctly set. That's important. Now build your weekly report layout. Add scorecards for key weekly metrics like users, sessions, leads, revenue, or conversions. Place these at the top so performance is easy to understand at a glance. Next, add trend charts. Use line charts with date as the dimension to show how performance changes throughout the week. This helps explain what happened, not just the final numbers. Now add a date range control. Set the default date range to last 7 days or this week. This ensures the report always shows the most recent weekly data automatically. So yeah, no manual updates needed. Once your report looks good, it's time to automate sharing. Click the Share button, then choose Schedule Email Delivery. Select Weekly Delivery, pick the day and time, and add email recipients. Looker Studio will now send updated reports automatically every week. Choose the right format like PDF or link depending on what your team prefers. You can also customize the email message so recipients know exactly what they're receiving. Before finalizing, test everything. Switch to view mode, change the date range, and confirm charts update correctly. You can also send a test email to yourself. Honestly, this step avoids mistakes later. And that's it. By using date controls, scheduled delivery, and clean report design, you can create fully automated weekly reports in Looker Studio. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker